In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly trim audio in your browser with Audiomass. We're keeping this simple and fast. Audiomass is a free, browser-based audio editor that runs right on the web, so you don't need to install anything. To begin, head to audiomass.co in your preferred browser. Once the page loads, you'll see a clean workspace ready for your sound. Upload your audio by dragging and dropping a file straight onto the page, or use the file option shown in the interface to pick a track from your computer. After it loads, you'll see a waveform appear across the timeline. That waveform is a visual map of your audio, and it's what you'll use to make precise trims. Now let's crop out what you don't want. Click at the point where you want your selection to start, then click and drag to highlight the section you want to remove. The highlighted area is what will be cut. If you grabbed a little too much or too little, no problem. Just drag the edges of the highlighted region left or right to fine-tune. You can press play to listen and confirm you've selected the right portion before you cut. If the section is very small or you need more precision, use the zoom controls on the interface to get a closer look at the waveform while you adjust your selection. When you're confident with the highlighted area, delete it. You can simply press the backspace key on your keyboard to remove the selection instantly. If you prefer using on-screen tools, click the scissors icon in the toolbar. Both methods do the same thing. They remove the highlighted portion and close the gap, leaving the rest of your audio intact. If you change your mind after cutting, use the undo option in the toolbar to roll back your last action and try again. That's really all there is to it. Upload your audio, highlight the part you don't want, and delete it with backspace or the scissors. Taking a moment to preview before you cut will save time, and zooming in can help you hit the exact start and end points, especially near breaths, clicks, or silence. Keep an eye on the waveform peaks and valleys as visual cues for where words or beats begin and end. With these simple steps, you can clean up intros, trim dead air, or remove mistakes in a matter of seconds. Follow along, try it on one of your files, and you'll be trimming confidently in no time.